Hey, how's it going? What does the Amazon Alexa Auto look like? How big is it? Does it have a lot of wires that need to be connected? Well, today we're going to do an Amazon Echo Auto unboxing. I'm Reed Cardwell, and a few months ago I moved into a new, well, at least to me, a new house. I'm going to be reviewing some of the things that I do and use around here to make life a little easier. So if you've just moved into a new house, or if you've been in your current place for a while, but you've always wanted to make some improvements, do some landscaping, even grow some of your own food, well, I'll be doing some of that here too. So hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you'll know when I post new videos. Now you may be asking, what does Amazon Echo Auto have to do with helping around the house? I mean, it's in the name, it's for your vehicle. But I see this as an extension of what you already do around your home. I'm pretty deep into the Amazon Alexa ecosystem. I have several of these things around my house, controlling my hue lights and various smart outlets, helping with my calendar, managing my shopping list. It tells me the weather. It plays my music. You get the idea. It's a personal assistant and it handles the mundane things so you don't have to. You don't have to worry about losing your list because it's always in the cloud, and as long as you have an internet connection, it's always there. So when I got an invitation to have this same functionality in my car at a discounted price, I jumped at that opportunity. Now there are several videos here on YouTube showing a hack where people have installed an Echo Dot in their car. Now this is great around the house, but this is not something I want mounted in my car. Plus you have to use your phone's Wi-Fi hotspot, and that's really just not something most people are going to want to do. So without further ado, let's get into the box.
Alright, so let's get into this thing. Take off the wrapping paper. Put it over there. Now, make it pretty obvious here. You tear off the little arrows. Okay, set that off to the side. And we'll open it up. And let's see what we have here. Okay, we have some instructions. Those will be handy later. Some things you can try. Okay, this looks like an aux cord if you need one. Okay, this is going to be the power cord that plugs into the Alexa itself, into the Echo. Okay, and they give you a 2-port charger, so you can plug in obviously the Echo Auto, and you can plug in your phone. And last but certainly not least is the Echo Auto itself. Let's see what else is in here. We got one more piece. Okay, this would be the mounting bracket. So pull this out. And there it is. And it looks like, yeah, that'll mount to your dash, or that'll mount onto this guy, which will mount to the dash itself. Okay, it looks like we got some sticky. So it's intended to be semi-permanent on your dash. It's not going to be probably removable, but we'll get into that in a future video. But then this will just sit right in there. Oh, it's magnetized. So this will just sit right in there and hold it to your dash. So when you compare this to this, I think I would much rather have this sitting on the dash of my car than this one. Even in the console, I have enough things in my console now. I don't need to add this kind of bulk. So that's what we have in the box.
So what do you think now that you've seen the Amazon Echo Auto? Is this something that you would put into your vehicle? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm always curious to know what other people think of this sort of technology. If you like this video, hit the like button below. That really helps me out. And if you like the content of this video, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and select all notifications. In future videos, I'll be setting up the Amazon Echo Auto, I'll be reviewing it, and I'll be comparing it with a third-party product that also brings Amazon Alexa into your vehicle. So again, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of these upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Wait, not so fast. For those of you who stayed to the end, I did promise I would show you how you might be able to get this thing at half price. Okay, the link that you're going to need is displayed here at the bottom of the screen, but it is also in the notes for this video in the description below. So you can click that and it will bring you directly to the link that's shown on the screen. What I'm going to do right now is just paste it in so we can get there and I can show you what this page looks like. Now, the Echo Auto, as of today, is not searchable on Amazon. They are blocking this page from showing in the search results. So the only way to get here is to know this direct link. Now, if you're signed in, this yellow button here that says sign in to continue will be different. It will say request an invitation. What you'll do is click that button and request your invitation. There'll be a couple of things you'll need to fill out. But basically what they ask you to do is if you receive an invitation and make the purchase, they just ask for you to give them some feedback in return, what you thought of the product, how it worked for you, that type of thing. So if you get it now by invitation, you will get it for the $24.99. If you don't get it until after it's released, it will be the full list price of $49.99. Thank you for watching my video.